Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2025 Audi A6? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features Audi's digital stage curved OLED display with an 11.9-inch virtual cockpit and a 14.5-inch central MMI touchscreen, plus an optional 10.9-inch passenger display for infotainment and vehicle info. The all-digital MMI touch response display setup with a large central infotainment screen and a high-resolution digital cockpit showing navigation, media, and vehicle info. The 12.3-inch fully digital Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus instrument cluster displaying speed, navigation maps, media, and vehicle data with selectable views right in the driver's line of sight. The automatic gear shifter with a sleek console-mounted selector for smooth 7-speed S-tronic operation and easy switching between park, reverse, neutral, and drive. The leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel features tactile buttons and scroll controls for audio, phone, voice assistant, and menu navigation without taking hands off the wheel. The 4-zone automatic climate control with independently adjustable temperature and airflow for driver, front passenger, and rear occupants, improving personalized comfort. The turbocharged engine options, including a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder and a powerful 3.0-liter turbo V6 with mild hybrid tech, are both paired to a 7-speed automatic. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light, steering lock warning light, malfunction indicator lamp, charging system indicator, electronic parking brake warning light, engine oil pressure warning light, forward safety warning light, seat belt reminder indicator, low washer fluid warning light, high temperature indicator, anti-lock brake system indicator, crash sensors and airbag indicator, electric power steering system indicator, vehicle stability assist system indicator, vehicle stability assist off indicator, low tire pressure or TPMS indicator, electronic parking brake warning light, turn signal and hazard warning indicators, lights on indicator, high beam indicator, auto high beam indicator, fog light indicator, front passenger airbag status light, door ajar warning light, side assist indicator light, steering intervention request, low fuel level warning light, master warning light, child safety door lock or unlock indicator light, child seat lower anchor indicator light, lane safety indicator light, lane centering indicator, distance warning light, all-wheel drive warning light, engine speed limitation light, hood indicator light, auto stop off indicator light, auto stop indicator light, hill hold assist indicator light, Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.